If you don't want to end up financially stuck like most people, then you need to avoid the biggest wealth killer that almost nobody talks about. Take a look at this chart. It shows how the average person spends money each month. And believe it or not, one category here is silently destroying people's chances of building wealth. Let's break it down. First, housing. Yes, it's the largest expense, but at least paying rent or a mortgage gives you a roof over your head. Next, taxes. No one enjoys them unless your name is Gary Stevenson, but that's another story. Utilities and household bills? Not fun, but you can usually lower them by shopping around. Same goes for smaller lifestyle expenses. They're flexible. So what's left? Transportation. Car loans, fuel, insurance, repairs, parking. All for something that loses value every single day. The average new car now costs close to $48,000. Yet it's not an asset, not an investment, just a financial drain on wheels. That's why cars, not housing or taxes, are the true #1 wealth killer. And here's the scary part. It's only getting worse. In 2005, auto loan debt was about $720 billion. By 2010, it jumped to $850 billion. Fast forward to 2020, it soared to $1.38 trillion. And by 2025, we're sitting at an all-time high of $1.62 trillion. More people than ever are what I call car poor, barely keeping up with car payments, but never building real wealth. Why? Because people want to look rich instead of be rich. Car companies spend billions convincing you that a shiny new vehicle will make you more attractive, successful, and confident. They don't show the traffic jams, $600 repair bills, or the crushing debt. Social pressure plays a role too. Nobody claps when you show up in a 15-year-old Honda that's paid off, but roll in with a new BMW on finance and suddenly everyone thinks you've made it. The reality? That car doesn't prove success. It prevents it. And for some, it's worse. Many owe more on their car than it's even worth. A situation called negative equity. In fact, by the end of 2023, almost 1 in 4 borrowers were upside down on their car loans. Imagine owing $40,000 on a car that's only worth $30,000. That's $10,000 just gone. And here's what most people don't realize. The sticker price of a car is nowhere near its real cost. Take a Honda Civic, the most popular choice among young drivers in the US. The base price is around $27,800, but over 5 years the true cost of ownership hits almost $47,000. Depreciation alone eats $11,000. Add in insurance, fuel, maintenance, repairs, taxes, and financing, and suddenly that affordable car is draining you every single month. Now compare that to investing instead. Put the same $780 monthly payment into an S&P 500 index fund. And historically, you'd end up with about $60,000 after 5 years. Meanwhile, the car leaves you with less than $20,000 in resale value. That's a difference of over $40,000. And if you repeated that cycle over your lifetime, you'd literally be giving up hundreds of thousands of dollars. The lesson isn't never buy a car. The lesson is, be strategic. Buy in the sweet spot. 3-4 years old with low mileage. Keep your transport costs under 15% of your income. And most importantly, hold on to the car for at least 10 years. That's how you avoid the car poor trap and actually build wealth. Every dollar tied up in a depreciating car is a dollar not compounding for your future. The sooner you understand that, the sooner you step off the treadmill and start moving toward real financial freedom.